Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alphacool new Apex Distro Plate Dark Base Pro 901. So friends, the Alphacool has announced the most comprehensive product portfolio in industry and over 20 years of experience. Alphacool is now expanding its lineup with the Apex Distro Plate for the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 case, specifically designed for this case, and the Distro Plate replaces the front cover and elevate any custom water cooling setup to the next level. And the Apex product line stand for premium quality featuring high-end materials and innovative technology to prevent potential leaks caused by a crack. And the chrome-plated G1 4-inch brass fitting are equipped with O-ring and securely embedded into the acrylic, crafted from high-quality acrylic glass and enhanced with aRGB lighting. And the Apex Distro Plate not only offer clear view of the water cooling loop but also impressive stunning lighting effect available in black and white color option. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.